If you're in the market for a luxury SUV, chances are you've heard of the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, a vehicle that exudes both power and prestige. This is a machine that has become an icon, admired for its ability to conquer the toughest terrains while wrapping passengers in comfort and luxury. But what if you could get your hands on one for a fraction of the cost of a new model? Today, we'll explore why a used G-Wagon, especially one priced at around $58,000, is not just an enticing prospect. It's a wise decision for any thrill seeker looking to experience luxury and off-road dominance. Luxury meets off-roading power. Let's be honest, when most people think of the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, they immediately associate it with one thing: prestige. And it's true, owning a G-Wagon sends a clear message that you've made it. It's like buying a luxury watch, a rare piece of jewelry, or an expensive handbag. But here's the thing. While prestige is undoubtedly one reason to buy this SUV, there's a much deeper, far more exciting reason to go for a G-Wagon, especially a used one. Unlike other luxury SUVs, the G-Wagon is a capable off-roader. The G-Wagon isn't just about showing off, it's about adventure, thrill, and conquering terrain where others fear to tread. Imagine a vehicle that's as adept at climbing rocks and plowing through sand dunes as it is gliding through the city streets in total comfort. This is the kind of versatility the G-Wagon brings to the table. Now, let's address the big question: why should you buy a used G-Wagon instead of something new? Here's why a used G-Wagon, especially priced around $58,000, makes a strong case for itself. A used G-Wagon for $58,000? When it comes to buying a luxury off-roader, new options can be expensive. A brand new 2024 Jeep Wrangler, Toyota 4Runner, or Ford Bronco can easily run you upwards of $60,000 depending on the model and options. But at $58,000, a used G-Wagon offers a rare blend of high-performance off-roading and premium luxury for a price that's quite competitive in today's market. But what do you get for your $58,000? For starters, you're not looking at just another SUV. The used G-Wagon comes with a 563 horsepower twin-turbocharged V8 engine. That's a lot of horsepower packed into a boxy body designed for one thing: power. With that kind of engine under the hood, this vehicle isn't just another off-roader, it's a performance powerhouse. The G-Wagon's off-road capabilities. When you buy a used G-Wagon, you're not simply getting a car that looks good, you're getting a serious off-roading machine. The G-Wagon comes equipped with a permanent four-wheel drive system and 3 locking differentials, which allow it to crawl over the most difficult terrains with ease. Most modern off-roaders, even those with impressive specs, simply don't have the capabilities that the G-Wagon offers. Let's compare it to some of the other off-road options on the market. The Jeep Wrangler, Ford Bronco, and Toyota 4Runner all offer impressive off-road features, but none of them come close to the sheer power and technology of the G-Wagon. For the same price, you're getting an off-roading SUV that can tackle any obstacle in its path, from rock crawling to dune bashing, without breaking a sweat. The classic reliability of the G-Wagon. When it comes to buying a used car, reliability is always a concern. Fortunately, the G-Wagon has built a reputation for reliability, particularly in the more recent models. Mercedes-Benz is known for producing high-quality vehicles, and despite some ups and downs over the years, the G-Wagon remains a standout in terms of durability. The 2016 model in particular, although part of a long-standing design, benefits from the more modern features and technology that Mercedes-Benz implemented in the late 2000s. Unlike some other Mercedes-Benz vehicles that have been criticized for reliability issues in the past, the G-Wagon stands out for its sturdiness. While it's still a complicated vehicle to fix due to its cramped engine bay, and believe me, mechanics do not look forward to working on one, the overall build quality of the G-Wagon remains impressive. Real-world experience with a used G-Wagon. If you're still wondering whether a used G-Wagon can truly live up to the hype, let's take a look at a real-world example. A 2016 G-Wagon G63, bought with 88,000 miles on the clock, has been through its share of adventures. The car has only had a few minor issues, including a check engine light caused by a faulty thermostat. While the thermostat replacement wasn't cheap, about $1,100, the car has otherwise been reliable, showing how these vehicles can withstand the test of time and miles. The beauty of the G-Wagon is that it feels just as solid with 90,000 miles as it did when it was new. Even after all that time, the buttons, switches, and even the Bluetooth audio still work flawlessly. And unlike some other luxury cars, this one doesn't feel like it's falling apart. The steering wheel may be a little crooked and some suspension work might be needed, but overall, it's a machine that still offers that luxurious and rugged experience after years of use. The comfort and luxury you expect from Mercedes-Benz. The G-Wagon's interior is what sets it apart from other off-road vehicles. Despite its narrow design, which is more noticeable when you sit in the driver's seat next to a passenger, the interior is undeniably luxurious. The premium leather upholstery, stitched and quilted to perfection, has held up well even with the G-Wagon's mileage. Mercedes-Benz doesn't just want you to drive the G-Wagon, they want you to enjoy the ride in absolute comfort. From the carbon fiber accents to the luxurious leather covering the seats, door panels, and dashboard, the G-Wagon's cabin feels like a top-tier luxury vehicle. This is what makes the G-Wagon so unique. It combines the ruggedness of an off-road vehicle with the refinement of a luxury sedan. No other off-roader in its class can match the G-Wagon in terms of both durability and refinement, cup holders, and driving comfort. If there's one thing we can always count on from the G-Wagon, it's its quirks. While the vehicle is unquestionably impressive, it's not without its oddities. The most famous of these quirks is the basketball net cup holder. Yes, you read that right. The cup holder is deep, almost too deep, making it difficult for any drink to stay put. But the uniqueness of this feature speaks to the G-Wagon's overall eccentric charm. It's a vehicle designed for adventure, and sometimes that means quirky design choices. Another fun fact about the G-Wagon is how narrow it feels inside. Although the vehicle looks large from the outside, it's surprisingly compact on the inside. At almost half a foot narrower than a Ford Bronco, the G-Wagon feels cozy, even cramped. But that's part of its charm. The design gives you a more intimate connection to the vehicle, and don't let the narrowness fool you. The G-Wagon still has ample legroom and an engaging driving experience. Technology, a step behind the times, but not by much. Let's talk about the tech. In today's world, every car is expected to come with the latest technology, but the G-Wagon is a bit behind the curve in this department. The 7-inch integrated screen feels outdated, and it's not a touchscreen, which can be frustrating. However, it does have Bluetooth audio, dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and adaptive cruise control, all of which are features that make the G-Wagon a comfortable ride. While the tech might not be up to par with newer vehicles like the Ford Bronco or Jeep Wrangler, the G-Wagon still offers a solid driving experience that makes up for its technological shortcomings. The driving experience. When it comes to driving, the G-Wagon stands in a league of its own. Despite its off-road capabilities, the G-Wagon drives like a luxury vehicle, thanks to its powerful twin-turbo V8 engine and sturdy build. The ride can be a bit rough, especially on uneven terrain, but that's part of what makes it so special. The G-Wagon doesn't shy away from a challenge. It meets it head-on with confidence. The V8 engine offers a remarkable amount of power, making acceleration feel effortless. And while the handling can be a bit stiff, it's all part of the G-Wagon's charm. It's not the smoothest ride, but it's undeniably fun. Is the G-Wagon the right choice for you? If you're looking for a practical, budget-friendly off-roader, the G-Wagon may not be your best option. It's not the most economical vehicle on the market, and it's certainly not for everyone. But if you're someone who values both luxury and ruggedness, and you're willing to put up with a few quirks, a used G-Wagon could be the perfect fit. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the iconic Mercedes G-Wagon, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content on the coolest cars, the most luxurious rides, and everything in between. Got thoughts on the G-Wagon or want to see more reviews? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.